This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss topic palette in GW Basic Programming Language, chapter graphics. It's the module number 5. So let's start. Palette, it is used to select from one of two color sets that are already available, such that these colors sets will be used by color parameter of a line, circle, pset, draw, or other graphics utilities. Syntax says palette attribute comma color. The palette statement works only with systems equipped with the enhanced graphics adapter EGA. A GW Basic palette contains a set of colors, with each color specified by an attribute. Each attribute is paired with an actual display color. See table below. I'm gonna draw a table for you. You will see all that display color scheme. This color determines the actual visual color on the screen and is dependent on the setting of your screen mode and color and your actual physical hardware display. The value of palette may be either 0 or 1 if palette zero or 1, then the colors are, I'm gonna draw a table of 3 columns like this. I will type the heading like first palette, and then numbers, and then the colors. Okay, so the palette is 0, and if the number is 0, then it is used for background color. And then palette 0, number 1, then the color will be green. If the palette is 0 and the number is 2, then the color is red. Palette is 0, number is 3, then the color is brown. If the palette is 1, because we have just discussed that the palette can maybe either 0 or 1, so we can see the 4 combinations of palette with different numbers, and you can see different colors for each and every combination scheme. And if the palette is 1, number is 0, then the color will be used for background color once again. If the palette is 1, number is 1, then the color will be cyan. If the palette is 1, the color is 2, then the number is 2 and the color will be magenta. The palette is 1, number is 2, and the color is okay. If the color is 1, if the palette is 1, number is 3, then the color will be white. So this is a very technical chapter, graphics in GW Basics. We have discussed statements like screen statement and then color statement. Today we have discussed palette statement, but for each and every topic we discuss the tables as well with different attributes, different color scheme, different screen modes. In the screen statement in module 2 we discussed different screen modes with their description, and then we discussed different attributes for mode in screen modes, different screen modes, and then their different color schemes. And then in color statement we discuss different modes with different effects. And now today in this topic and before that, discuss examples to show different color statements and their effect in the various screen modes in the screen statements, color statement. And you can use different screens number with different color scheme, color number, and then you can see the different foreground and background combinations. And today in this chapter, in this topic, we discussed palette statement, which is actually used to select one out of 2 color sets, and it is basically used to the parameters of line, circle, piece set, draw, or other graphic utilities. So you can see there is an attribute and the comma, then we can type the color. So here we can see different palette numbers, different palettes with different numbers and different colors. For each and every combination there's a different color and different background color. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.